Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can block someone on Parler app. And guys, it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or the Android because the process is pretty much the same, right? So of course, first what you need to do here is to open Parler app, and then you need to find a person that you want to block. So I will go on search, that is on the bottom right, and as you can see here there is a lot of people, so of course you can follow them. But if you want to unblock, just press on the person profile. You should end up on this page, and then there is little arrow to down on the top right, as you can see here, next to a person username. Press on that, and then little pop-up shows up, and the second option is block and the person username. Press on that, press continue, and that's how we can block someone on Parler app, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.